Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the disk check could not be performed because Windows can't access the disk problem. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type diskpart. Type list space, disk. Type select space, disk number, my case disk number is 1. Type clean. Type create space, partition space, primary. Type format space, fs equal to ntfs space, quick. Type /sign space, letter equal to F. Exit, type exit. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.